Who's this my candy? There we go. Awesome. Okay, so what's the first step, please?
You start with -2 times 3.
Good. And that should give you,
-6.
okay, can we 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus -6 squared plus 1. Okay, the key thing to these questions, I know there's someone sitting at the front, the middle, and the back that thinks they're a genius, and you guys are geniuses, I don't want to put you down. If you skip steps on this, you're going to make a mistake. Like, and I hated showing steps. When I was a teenager, I said, he says I can't do it in one step. I can do it in one step, but please, if you skip steps, you mistake. Right.
Isn't that 3 plus supposed to be 3 times?
Where? Oh, sorry. Thank you. Okay, James. Can you please? Thank you. I appreciate when you do it correctly. Okay, what's the next step, please?
-6 square root 2.
Good. So that's going to be here. All right. What's -6 squared, please?
Positive 12. Positive 12.
Good. Careful. Squared means times itself, right? Not times 2. So 6 times 6 is? Go ahead. Ready? Go ahead. 3 is no problem. It happens. Right? So 6 times 6 is 36. Yes? Good? All right, nice.
Can I have your attention, please? Hayden Coombs to the main office. Hayden Coombs, main office.
I think that's in brackets. Okay. Lindsay, what do we do next, please?
You do 4 pluses.
Right, good. So we're just going to do always the inner thing always, right? So 4 plus 36 is?
40.
Very good. So it's going to be 2 plus 3 times 40. I think I want 20 brackets. No, notice, whenever you do something, you can get rid of a bracket, right? So 6 squared, you can erase the bracket. 4 plus 36, right? With a bracket, you can get rid of the bracket. It just makes it easier. Okay. I want to say Kara, is that correct?
Yeah.
Okay. 3 times 40 is a big number. If you don't know how to do it, do 3 times 4 and add a 0. Very good. Okay. So it's going to be 2 plus 120 plus 1. Sorry, so I told you to write something happened. Okay, Sadie, you got the difficult one. 2 plus 120 is? Very good. Okay, and Jill, you got the hardest one of all. 122 plus 1 is? Very good. Okay, now this is a level difficult, like this would be like one of the difficult ones on your test. Or like medium to difficult, maybe not the worst, but like in the top half of difficult. Okay? Alright? Let's move on to one last one that I'm not feeling good at, so I'm going to take a little break here in a sec. We'll do one last big one, then we'll call it a day and you guys can work on your assignments. Sound fair? Okay, so one last, yes. Yes. What's that? Alright, so I'm going to do one more difficult one. Do you want me to take it through or do you guys want to try it? Nobody cares. Okay, here's the options. I take you through it or you try it.
Both of them let us try it.
You guys want to try it?
Yeah.
Alright. You guys are in academic math, right? Which means that you have to use your little brains. When I say little brains, that's offensive. I mean giant brains is what I mean. Right?
Yeah.
Example, we're on 6, I think. Okay, example 6 says, oh boy. Ready for this one? No, square brackets are just regular brackets, but they have, like, just distinguish, okay? Okay, so what those little things that look like this are, there's different types of brackets, okay? So what that means is that this is connected to this one, okay? So you square last, you do it inside the brackets first. So you're going to start with the left one, simplify that, and do the right one, simplify that, and divide them, and then square. Why did you not do my times? I don't have time for it. could be. I can. Oop. I did, I thought, okay, 1 second. 1 second, does anyone need a textbook?
Yeah.
I thought I told you.
She wouldn't let us, because we didn't return our Romeo and Juliet.
You have Romeo and Juliet?
Yeah.
They have two girls that have Romeo and Juliet. They have it with them.
I don't have mine, because I got mixed up with one of my cars.
Okay, I don't know what's going on. There may be something going the other may not be, okay? I don't understand too many girls. Yeah, I hear you. But, sorry, there's no sexist thing I ever said, I'm sorry about that. I don't understand teenage boys either. It's true, okay, I'm sorry, that was very sexist.
No, we were talking about how you could skip.
Okay, I'm having a bad day here, okay? I'm gonna pause. I'm gonna say to the world.
Mr. Sadler, do I go now?
Yes, I'm gonna run right now, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna ask for volunteers, so excuse me for a sec. I'm just gonna ask for volunteers on this one. The rule is for the volunteers, you're only allowed to volunteer once. So let's say that Jillian wants to volunteer every question, she can't, she's only volunteer once. Once you raise your hand once, you can't volunteer again. Sound fair? Now, if nobody raises their hand, I'm just going to pick on people. So, if somebody want to go first here, please. 1/3 plus 1/4, what do we do? Yes, go ahead.
Common denominator.
It's going to be? So it's going to turn into? Go ahead, please.
1/3 will be 4 over top.
Yeah.
And 1/4 will be 3 over.
Very good. Wonderful. Okay, so can someone else be brave, raise your hand and do the second bracket, please. Go ahead.
Second bracket, you also find common denominator of 15.
1 second, please. Girls, thirds, whispering. Come on, please. Okay, go ahead, please.
You can find common denominator of 15
Yeah, and it turns into?
into 10 and 12.
Good. Okay, sound good? Everyone's feeling pretty good with that? Someone else be brave here. Okay, just wait. I got this. I got this. It's short form. Is it Maddie or is that wrong? Maddie, sorry about that, Maddie. Go ahead. You can do left-hand side, please.
7 over.
Good. And I'm going to go to the brackets here, right, because we've already simplified that as much as we can. Can someone do the right-hand side, please?
22 over 15.
You know what?
I got it.
Andy, you know what? I'm in a good mood right now. I was in a rotten mood. That's good. Okay, now this is the next step is relatively good. The step after that is relatively awful. So someone be brave here and give me the relatively good section. Now, nobody wants to raise their hand. This is a good section.
I did it like 3 times.
You did raise your hand 3 times?
Yeah.
Right, go ahead, Tara.
You fold the
Yeah,
right side.
the right
up.
side. Good. So that turns into 7 over 12. And that turns to times 15 over 22. All right, now who here in the class has a calculator? You already raised your hand, then I raised your hand once. Who's going to raise your hand that has a calculator and wants to calculate for me? Or else, do you want me to show off my current tremendous math skills? You want to do it? Go ahead.
7 times 15 is 105.
Okay.
Is 260.
You have 105 over 264. Oh my goodness. Okay. I want you guys to do something for me before we square this. Okay? Okay, so I have a guess in my mind. Okay? I'm guessing that can be divided by 3. Can somebody please divide them both by 3 and see what happens? I'm hoping, because if not, this is going to be an awful question. I'm mean, but I'm not that mean. What's 105 divided by 3?
35.
And 264 divided by 3?
88.
Okay, so we have 35 over 88. That's a little bit smaller. Now, if you're on your test, 35 over 108, and you get to this point and you say, Mr. Sadler, I have no idea what that divides by. I can probably go 5. Okay? I can probably do that too. Okay? Who's got a calculator? 35 times 35, as if I can't do that in my head. I don't know. 35 times 35, somebody brave?
1,225.
Very good. 108 squared, not you, Matt, you're out. Somebody else. 1,225? 135 squared? 108 squared, I'm guessing it's 10,000. No.
Isn't, no, it's supposed to be divided by, like the 264, it's 88.
What? Thank you. 88 squared, it's even easier. 8 times 8 is 64. 640 and 64 is, just wait, let me try. 704? So you want to try that? 88 squared?
7,744.
I wasn't even close. What did I get?
7,744. Sadler, you have 2 minutes.
I have 2 minutes, I'll call it a day there, okay? This is too big for your test, because I don't expect you guys to be able to do this in your head. Right, it's 88 squared, you can't do that with no calculator, okay? But to do this question without the squares would be fair game. Make sense? Okay, tonight's homework is to do the most of your assignments that you can. Start with this. Does anyone need an extra copy of the assignment or weren't here when the assignment was first handed out? For all of your friends that aren't here, and will be here, please remind that this is the test and this is on Tuesday. Okay? Have a good day, everybody. Have Valentine's Day.
Oh, is there anything
Actually,
I'll be okay.
So we're just going to go over all the stuff. We'll do a whole day of this again.
Okay.
And I'll probably let you guys spend the second half of the day.
I'll work on this overnight. Thank you.
You want to nominate the alternate friends? Okay.
They would be on the 27th.
No problem? For how long? Okay.
And also, like,
I'm moving forecast tomorrow. I can't right now, because I'm home. I was told by the principal I have to be attentive every day. So, but if you hear like 5 minutes for class tomorrow, just remind me if I can do it. Yeah. Yes.
Do you want to see how I got you subscribers?
No, just wait. We're online. Just wait. Just let it.
Okay.
Definitely not.
No, I can do
Subscribers
that
are well
now.
earned. You're earned.